Yeah, hi guys, so welcome back to the course. So in the last video we have discussed how we have created our bottom sheet here, right, for filtration. So now we'll add some more things here, like we'll add some um, budget thing, right? We have discussed like we have a budget also, like user should be able to set his budget, right? And we'll show it in a form of some graph, like either pie chart, bar graph or something like that, right? So let me improvise this code first. Will I have created there one UI folder, right? So we can have here home body, and let me put its rename dot. I have a habit of using Android Studio. So here we just import our that material class dot. Okay, and we'll have a stateless and home body. Okay, so now we'll just remove this scaffold thing to our cut const home body, and we'll just put it here. Okay, and we'll have a remove some extra packages that are used here, and we'll quick fix importing the things. Quick fix import the things. Quick fix and import the things. Now I'll just uh, just give me a second. Yeah, now here I will modify it with a list view. Okay, yeah, so now we will have a where it ends. Okay, here it ends. Hmm. List view, and we'll same with the have a shrink wrap true. Also I'm making this is our this is the main scroll. Okay, or we can, okay, we can show budget as fixed. Okay, never scrollable physics. We can only have a this. Okay, and I'll add here one text widget as transactions, which will have some styling. I have a text style. We have a font size of 20 here. Okay, and I'll make it as home screen, home only. Okay, text align to center, and add some padding to it. Padding child here. Padding edge geometry dot symmetric, and we'll have vertical of 24. Now we'll have a budget here. We'll make some custom widget, new file, budget chart dot dot. Now I'll firstly import here our material dot dot and make a stateless class budget chart, and I'll add a budget chart here. Okay, I'll make here a padding. Same thing I am adding here. Edge inserts not symmetric, and it will be horizontally we have a 16 and vertical we have a 24. And child, now we have to see. Uh, See, we can either have a pie chart. Pie chart is something like, if suppose I have set a budget of 6,000. Okay, so in that we can show here like, but income, how we will describe it. We have one way, like suppose if I try to, okay, we have to check on the documentation pie chart in flutter. So we have a package here to show our pie chart. Can add this dependency and we can have our data. Let me import this package and try to add a flutter pub add pie chart. Now we can show here a pie chart. Quick fix, we can import this library, and now we have a data map. Will show a sample budget. Okay, what exactly it needs? It needs a data map. Okay, it needs a simple format. Okay, we have to calculate the data. Okay, so we can, okay, what we can do here is, uh, let us define some data. Suppose I'll add some data. We have to pass some data here. Suppose I'll pass here final double expense, final double income. Okay, and I'll set here expenses, expense, income as income. Okay, and then we have to, of course we have to add these parameters in constructors, right? Required this dot expense, required this dot income. And now here we want to show expense and income. Yeah, so now what we will do is, here we'll just create a list, basically an integer list, e will add a condition here where rather than using map he is type is equal to 1 to map t dot amount dot sum. Will, as of now we are currently working on sample data, so we are assuming that this will be a now what it want exactly. Okay, dot where type int. Okay, I'll remove it here, or will it should. Okay, great. It, they want exit. Now what exactly he want? Added where type, what exactly it wants, it represent. Yeah, so we have forgot to import this, I guess. Now it should work. Can't be assigned to a. Okay, well, as of now we are okay. Now I guess it should work. Hmm? Oh, they it needs to. Then we'll make it at double. Okay, we'll make it double, and here we have to perform the same thing. Copy to. So now it should work and show our pie chart. We'll check more parameters here, how it will look. Color list, okay, can show the same here. Copy. I'm assuming how many parameters are there, same parameters we have to show here. And no other, I guess there is a parameter chart type. Let's see what it will do. Disk ring, okay, I guess it will be by default disk. Now it should show. Okay, it's, I guess it looks fine, right? It's It's not bad. It's quite look fine, I guess. We can show it in a container. Uh, container child decoration with a box decoration, and we can define it as a we can define some border areas with some border radius dot circular. You can show 16 border radius box border dot all round rectangular border. Nope. uh okay, wait, I guess it should show um just a second. What exactly it wants? Shape. So shape I am telling, right? Round rectangular border. uh what exactly it wants? Wait. Yeah, so we'll add it with a border dot. Now it should work. Okay, color will give some gray. Colors dot gray width 1. Now it should show. And we should add some padding, symmetric. I guess now it's look fine. We can show some budget. No, it doesn't look good. No. We can show. We can add it with a column here. Children. And now we can show one text here. Budget. Thanks. Size. Font weight we can show bold. Copy, and we can show here transactions text. I guess it look fine, right? uh, we just have to add some parameters and now it's fine. uh, this thing I don't like this value, it's quite looking very odd. We can modify it, but we can have, yeah, we can add here a total value also. Okay, final total budget. Double total budget will suppose adding 6,000. Okay, and for empty we can, empty color we can add a colors, green accent, constant total budget. Hmm. Uh, mhm. Yeah. Okay. Copy and just paste with this. Hmm. Or we can show it with a amber one as well. So I guess now it looks fine, and yeah, this is looks good. Hmm. But it is not scrolling properly, I guess. Group. Why it is not scrolling properly? We can modify it to cut, put it here. Now I guess it, yeah, now it look fine. I guess we don't need to set a budget for a constantly, right? That is okay. So in the next video we'll discuss with adding some, rather than having a floating action button, we'll add some buttons here. Okay, like moving to categories, moving to create transaction. Okay, and some settings also we can add, right? So that's all from this video. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.